Welcome to Blender for Beginners. Today we will learn how to round corners in Blender 3.0 or below. Okay, here I'm going to change to solid mode so we can see more clearly what I'm doing. I'm going to click on this cube and I'm going to press tab to enter into edit mode. Now I'm going to select edges. For that, here on these three little buttons, select the middle one or press 2 on your numbers. Okay, so now I'm going to select an edge and I'm going to press Ctrl B and I'm going to move my mouse. And now, as you can see, I'm controlling the size of the bevel. If I scroll my mouse wheel while doing this without clicking, I can increase the numbers of cuts that the bevel will have. So the more divisions the bevel has, the more rounded it will be. Okay? So as you can see, I can do this. Now I'm going to press Ctrl Z to undo. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one edge, then press Shift and select the 4 edges that conform the face. And now I'm going to press Ctrl B. And as you can see, I can bevel the whole face at once. Okay, I'm going to undo. And now I'm going to select the whole object. I'm going to press A to select the whole object. And I'm going to press Ctrl B and drag my mouse. And now, as you can see, I have this rounded object. If you don't want to see this transition, you can right click and click Shade Smooth. And as you can see, we have a very smooth object. Okay, there's another way to do it. I'm going to undo. And now the other mode is I'm going to select my object and I'm going to come here to these panels and I'm going to click on the wrench icon to access my modifiers. I'm going to click Add Modifier and I'm going to choose the Bevel Modifier. Okay, and now as you can see here, I can click and drag the arrow and I can control the number of cuts the bevel will have. Okay, this is very nice. If I click here on this monitor, you can see I can activate or deactivate the modifier. And if I click this arrow and click Apply, I will apply the modifier will be permanent. Okay, I will undo. And if I want to get rid of this, I can just click the X and I will get rid of the modifier. Okay, so the bevel modifier is very useful, but I prefer to do the bevels manually because you have control of the individual bevels. I will show you why. For example, in this boat, I'm going to press 2 to select edges, and I'm going to press Alt and click on one of the edges so I select the whole loop around the boat. Okay, so now I'm going to press Ctrl B and bevel a little bit. Okay, a small bevel. Then I'm going to come here to the bottom of the boat. I will press Shift and select all the edges around the boat. Okay, and now I'm going to press Ctrl B and I will make a bigger bevel. Okay, so as you can see, we have different sides of bevels in the same object because we did it independently. Okay, this you cannot. This will be harder to do with the bevel modifier, so do it manually is the way to go. Okay, so now I'm going to click here, and as you can see now I just have to right click and click Shade Smooth. Okay, if it looks a little weird, you just have to click here on this little triangle, and on normals click on Auto Smooth. I'm going to apply the bevel modifier here, so I can do it quick. Also, you can do it with edges that go inward. I will show you. I will select this edge and I will press Ctrl B and we can do the bevel so it's like a slope. Okay, right click, Shade Smooth. If it looks weird, come here to a triangle, normals, Auto Smooth. Okay, so this is how you bevel or do round corners in Blender 3.0. If you like this content and you would like to help me grow the channel, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That would help me a lot. Okay, see you around!